Hello, in this video we'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the throttle body on Mercedes B-Class W245. The throttle body on this car is located on the side of the intake manifold. In order to get access to it, we need to remove this CNG control unit and also the air filter housing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove this electrical connector and afterwards remove the air filter box. We also need to remove this vacuum line. To remove it, we just need to pull it out. We just put it to the side, and now we're going to remove the air filter box, which is held by two bolts. Next we're going to remove the throttle body. This is the throttle body right there. It's held by 4 bolts. And also an electrical connector right there. First we're going to remove the 4 bolts and then we're going to disconnect the electrical connector. This is the metal plate that was behind the throttle body. This is how it's onto the intake manifold. Make sure you put it back on when you put on the new throttle body. Now we're going to disconnect the electrical connector. To disconnect it, there is 2 taps on both sides that you need to push in and then pull out the connector. And that's the throttle body removed. Now I'll show you the part number for it. This is the part number for the throttle body. Next we're going to put on the new throttle body. Again, make sure you put this metal plate behind it. And now we're going to put on the throttle body, put the bolts on and tighten them. After we put on the throttle body, we are going to assemble everything else in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.